Now, since a lot of you seem to like our video of the new Hyundai Staria, we thought it was very important to show you what the Staria's sibling looked like. This is the new Kia Grand Carnival, coming to Malaysia initially as a fully imported model from South Korea, but will soon be introduced as a CKD model sometime in 2022. This is an 11-seater with a 2.2-litre turbo diesel up front, and we are very excited to show you everything that you need to know about the new Kia Grand Carnival. Now, one of the biggest changes with the new Kia Grand Carnival is its design, with the very latest Kia design language integrated and incorporated into what is ultimately still a very large multi-purpose vehicle. You have this very distinctive front end with lots of chrome and these very intricate looking headlights where you have the daytime running light and indicator down here, while the headlights themselves are actually separated into two different elements. You also get LED fog lights down at the front, and like I said, this massive chrome grille. Down the side, it looks like any other MPV would, but it's made a little bit more distinctive with a very distinctive chrome strip on the C-pillar. At the rear, you also have a very distinctive rear design with a full width. Well, it would be full width. Unfortunately, we only get the bulb type rear lights instead. But in other markets, you can get an LED rear strip that goes all the way across the car, which makes it look very distinctive. But even with the bulb specifications for these cars, it still looks very distinctive. Now, one of the big features of the new Kia Grand Carnival is the fact that it is powered by diesel. This is a 2.2-litre Smartstream D turbo diesel engine with 199 horsepower and 440 Newton meters of torque, according to this brochure, because I have the memory of a goldfish. Power goes to the front wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission, which is now controlled via an electronic shift knob in the center console, which admittedly looks kind of cool. Now, what is a bit weird for an MPV, or is starting to become more common with MPVs, is that you now have a drive mode selector as well, which means that it doesn't always have to be family kind of driving. If you are alone and you want to have a little bit of fun, I guess you could in one of these, although the way it drives does remain to be seen. We'll have to see what that's like when we finally get this car out for test. What's also interesting is that this car comes with paddle shifters, which is interesting because I know for a fact that this engine has so much torque you very rarely have to manipulate the gearbox, but I guess it's good that it's there, right? Now, we have to rush a little because there are lots of people looking at the new Kia Grand Carnival, but all I can say is the inside of this car definitely looks and feels very premium. You get this sort of tan and black leather interior design with Kia's very latest design language on the inside. You get a huge 12.3-inch touchscreen as well as a 4.3-inch TFT supervision cluster in the middle, as flanked by a couple of analog dials. You also get powered seats on both sides, powered doors, and a powered tailgate. You get a high-end non-name brand audio system, and you also get 11 seats in here. Yes, that's right. This car is coming in as an 11-seater initially, likely to benefit from the commercial vehicle taxes that are levied on vehicles with such seating capacity. Now, in terms of safety features, you get things like rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, and so on. You don't, however, get adaptive cruise control or autonomous emergency braking. But that said, we have our fingers crossed because as this car comes into Malaysia as a completely knocked down or CKD model with slightly more attractive pricing, BAuto may see it fit to upgrade the specification list a little bit. Now, for the Kia Grand Carnival, unfortunately, we do not yet have prices, but we can confirm that it will be sold with a 5-year, 100,000 kilometer warranty when it does arrive on the market. As for prices, like I said, because this is just a preview, it hasn't been launched yet, we do not have prices for you just yet. In any case, that's been our very, very quick preview of the new Kia Grand Carnival. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell icon so you're notified every time we make a new upload. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care, stay safe, jangan bodoh.